Hello friends and fans, welcome to Egg Auto Getaway. If this is your first time here, I'm Lena. If you're returning, welcome back. I am losing my mind here a little bit. I am very still chest deep, neck deep, whatever, in working on stuff for my shop. But I luckily had a chance to, you'll see by the title of the video what this is all about. On Monday, one of my friends listed a dress that is my Grail dress, and you already know what dress it is I'm talking about. I've been on the hunt for what I call the zipper titty JSK for a while now because I've been unwilling to pay a stupid price. I still feel like I paid more than I actually wanted to pay for the dress, but it was not over $400 because I've been seeing the zipper JSK for Holy Lantern, and even just the high waist JSK for Holy Lantern, which has been released more times, go for between $400 and $600 recent times. And I mean, I get it, Halloween just ended, so you know, it's a very Halloween dress. It was originally a Halloween release, and I don't know exactly how many re-releases it's had, but I do know that the low waist JSK has gotten at least, I think, 7 to 9 re-releases, and the zipper JSK has only gotten 4 or 5. It's less, for sure. There are not as many fun colorways as there is the low waist. I get it, the low waist one is much easier to make, and it is very simple, and it's the same print and whatever. The package shipped on Monday. It is now a Wednesday. I don't know when I'm posting this video because I'm going to try and wait and do a cord shot, and as you can tell, I am not all dressed up today, but I will be by the end of this video. So let us rip into this, and I'm just going to rip into it. My friends. There's other stuff in here too. Okay, so I'm losing my mind. I don't have a lot of, wish list dresses right now and anymore, or Grail dresses, and this is one of the few. Wow, they threw in some extras. Okay, so first of all, it looks like a pair of stripy stockings. At least they're nice stretch. I'll have to ask my friend who I bought this off of who they were from. These are cool. I don't know if I'll actually use them, but I have a swap meet this weekend, so I can bring them to that. Put them in the free bucket. Next, I like these. These are another pair of stockings. These ones have a rib cage design going up them. These I think I will actually wear. I love spooky skeletons, and these are actually a good amount of stretch, so that's nice. That's cool. I was not expecting those. It's always nice when people throw in extra stuff in the package. I'm not one of those people. I got too much going on in my life. Sometimes I'll throw in freebies, but not very often. I ain't got time for that. I feel like there was something else, but maybe it's attached. Okay, there was a note. Hi, Lena. Hope you can give Holy Lantern a better home than I did. I threw in these tights after I realized they did. Wow, reading is hard. Maybe they did something. I can't tell what it says, so I'll ask my friend what it says, maybe. Anyway, they thought I might enjoy them, basically. And it's a little spooky guy. Anyway, end of story. They thought I might enjoy it. My friends, okay. Okay, so it is missing its waist ties, maybe? No, it has the waist ties, because they were in the stock photo. Or not the stock photo, they were in... Well, okay, so the waist ties aren't here. I'm going to message them to see if that's a mistake, and they should be here. But so, here it is. The Holy Lantern JSK. The other thing I knew that was in here was they did include some strap extenders. which is helpful. I don't know that I'll need them. I should be okay with the length. Most of my other AP dresses, I don't need that. They also added in a new button on the shirring panel, just because with it fully stretched on the person I bought it from, because I bought it from another plus size Lolita, on them, the straps kept falling off their shoulders. So I'll test it out, figure out which one I like better. But this is the Holy Lantern Zipper JSK. I don't know the actual name of it. In red, which is my second favorite colorway. I don't know. I think my favorite colorway is the navy, just because I love blue. But I think if I was going to have any, this is a good one to have. It's still in pretty decent condition. This flocking can get damaged pretty easily because it is velvet flocking on a chiffon material. So it is a little delicate to wash. I will probably hand wash it or take it to a dry cleaner. And yeah, it looks like it's a beautiful condition. So for anybody who, I mean, you can probably tell why I call it the Zipper Titty JSK, because there are zippers on the bust seams. But like, the real reason why I think AP doesn't make this dress as often is because of that detail. I mean, the grommets are also an extra detail that probably takes a fair bit of time to actually do. It doesn't actually lace or unlace, it's a decorative lacing. What does actually work is these zippers are functional. And this is such a bananas, like, this is such an odd kind of detail that is one of the reasons why I love this. Like, okay, my hot take is this is the perfect maternity Lolita dress, and, you know, change my mind. I don't think you can, because, you know, it's just, oh, gotta feed the baby. But then also, like, there was a story a while back going through back in the day when I used to go on 4chan and CGL, which I don't do anymore, about a baby throwing up on somebody who was wearing Holy Lantern, which it just humors the heck out of me because it wasn't their baby. And this is also, again, peak maternity dress, except for it having to get dry cleaned. I wish AP did more dresses with functional zippers like these guys. I am so hyped for this. Oh my gosh. Alright. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna try this on, and now that I've been babbling for freaking 8 minutes, I will do at least one cord. I may do as many as 3. And yeah, let's see what I can do with this. So, hope you enjoyed those 3 outfits. I guess this is the 3rd outfit, or maybe this is the 1st outfit. I don't know what order I'm filming this in. I'm not gonna lie, I'm still dealing with my allergies. You may have noticed I filmed the intro of this video, the actual unboxing part, a few months ago, back in early November of 2021. And I just didn't have a chance to do the full, you know, coordinate style thing. I am still suffering pretty terribly from my allergies, so I have not been able to do much else in my life, and I figured I'd just go ahead and do a few quick coordinates for you guys and get this video up this week. Next week I will have my Gothic capsule wardrobe video up that's already been done. Quick notes about the dress. It did come with the waist ties. They were hanging out in the pockets. So that's cool. I do think I will use the second strap button that was installed by the previous owner. You guys can see how the shirring stretches on me. I do still have enough wiggle room that it's very comfortable to wear. This is going to be, I think, it is one of my favorite Angelic pretty dresses I own. I mean, nothing holds a candle to Chocolate Chess. I continue to love that release so much. I own 4 of them. I mention that somewhat often, I realize, but you know, the girl's got her first love. And yeah, if you have any questions about this dress, feel free to leave a comment below. If you let me know what your favorite coordinate was, if you liked this video, be sure to like this video, and let me know if you would like more try-on style content. I do have a rather large Lolita wardrobe, and I'd be happy to either pull stuff from my closet or to just, you know, do similar things with unboxings. I tend to get larger orders when I get new items in, which is why I don't do try-on hauls for my, you know, actual hauls, because it's kind of hard when you get 20 items at one time. But yeah, I'm happy to break them down into individual items. So with that, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, I also have a Discord. If you want to see more of my outfits, check out my Agado Getaway Instagram. Links for everything is down in the guide below. And I'm going to go be miserable because of my allergies now. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!